By 2026, Tesla's Gen 3 Optimus bot will no longer be just a prototype with a skeletal frame like we've seen before. Instead, it will be up and running in Tesla's factories, performing real tasks like sorting batteries while moving 30% faster and operating far more intelligently than anyone expected. It won't just be capable of folding clothes or cooking meals, it'll also be able to care for the elderly, completely unsupervised. Elon Musk recently confirmed that by 2027, Tesla plans to mass produce over 500,000 Optimus robots, making his bold vision a reality. You could have one of these bots in your home for around $40 a day, or $1,199 a month. Even more intriguing, you might be able to earn over $3,000 per month using the Tesla bot through Tesla's Optimus platform. So how will this all become reality? Could a Tesla bot eventually take over your job? That's exactly what we'll explore in today's episode. Welcome to Next Gen Theories. Before we dive in, don't forget to help us reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. It really motivates us to keep creating awesome tech content. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What's really exciting is how these bots will adapt to your lifestyle. Over time, they'll get to know you, your habits, your preferences, so well that you won't even need to give instructions. The bot will just know what to do. The race to build the ultimate humanoid robot is seriously heating up. For a while, Tesla seemed to be way ahead with Optimus, but things are changing. Other companies are closing in fast, raising some important questions. What's Tesla's real strategy? Is the goal to make Optimus a factory tool or a household helper? Many people still believe Tesla's Optimus is leading the pack. But now, with strong competition from Figure AI and several innovative Chinese robotics firms, Tesla is finding itself in a much more crowded race. Some of these competing robots are already being deployed in real-world settings, which puts extra pressure on Tesla to speed up development and bring Optimus to market as soon as possible. Still, Elon Musk continues to push forward with big ambitions. Tesla has made it clear that the Optimus bot will first be deployed inside its own factories before rolling it out to the public. This approach, however, seems to go against the current trend in the industry. It's somewhat reminiscent of what happened with the Cybertruck. Tesla waited until most electric pickup trucks were already in the market before launching their own, which was a risky bet on consumer behavior. When new tech hits the market, it usually generates a lot of initial excitement. Early adopters are eager to try it out, but that hype doesn't last forever. Eventually, people gravitate toward newer or more refined options, and those are the products they stick with long term. That's why timing is crucial. Some experts even suggest that Tesla might need to spin off Optimus into a separate company to give it the flexibility and focus it needs, free from Tesla's existing constraints. And maybe the smarter move would be to get these bots into homes before competitors do, or at least alongside them. Think about how Apple handled the iPhone. Many of its features existed on Android first, but Apple made them work better and integrated them seamlessly into its ecosystem. That's what made the iPhone so dominant. Once someone buys an iPhone, they're more likely to pick up a MacBook, an Apple Watch, or AirPods too. That interconnected ecosystem is incredibly powerful. The same opportunity exists with Tesla's ecosystem. If Tesla can bring robots into homes early, it could encourage consumers to stick with other Tesla products, like Tesla vehicles, solar panels, home batteries, or chargers. Optimus could become the gateway into a broader Tesla lifestyle. So, how could Tesla build this ecosystem? From the official footage and demos, the Gen 3 Optimus bot is being introduced as a professional, highly capable helper. While many of these tasks may seem simple to us, they're actually incredibly complex for a robot. And yet, the Tesla bot Gen 3 is being designed to handle them. Things like cleaning, cooking, taking care of kids or the elderly. This latest version of Optimus represents a massive leap forward. Tesla has already shown it doing things like cleaning a kitchen, watering plants, serving drinks, opening car trunks, carrying groceries, and even checking packages. With Gen 3, expect even more advanced intelligence, smoother mobility, and faster operations compared to Gen 2. What really sets Tesla apart is that it's the only company so far that's built and demonstrated multiple generations of humanoid robots in the real world. Starting as an electric vehicle company, Tesla is now evolving into something much bigger, with its ecosystem growing to include not just EVs, but also SpaceX, Starlink, Neuralink, the Tesla app, and even the X platform, formerly Twitter. Let's talk about Grok AI and how it ties into Tesla's broader vision. When customers start using the Optimus robot, they're not just buying a robot, they're stepping into the entire Tesla ecosystem. The seamless integration of AI, automation, and connected technologies encourages continued use, which in turn increases Tesla's overall value. As Elon Musk has pointed out, the Tesla bot will be built to handle a wide range of real-world tasks. By 2026, Tesla plans to manufacture hundreds of thousands of these bots and begin offering them to a much wider audience. And given Tesla's track record, they clearly have the infrastructure and resources to scale production at an extraordinary pace. We've already seen the Tesla bot show off some surprisingly advanced skills, like dancing, serving drinks, and even holding basic conversations with event guests. These features show just how promising the robot is for roles in industries like hospitality and customer service, where interaction, adaptability, and efficiency are crucial. What makes this possible is the advanced AI powering the bot. It's capable of learning quickly and adapting to new environments. In customer service or hospitality settings, that means it can deliver highly personalized interactions. Over time, Optimus could learn customer preferences and tailor its services accordingly, doing it all with a level of consistency and efficiency that human workers often can't match. So, how big of an impact could Optimus have on everyday human life? Well, there's a bronze-colored prototype of the Tesla bot that was shared on Kim's X account. Not only does it suggest Tesla might allow for color customization in the future, but it also shows the bot in action. In the post, Optimus is seen working alongside her, next to a black Cybertruck with a low center of gravity, all while carrying a 12-pound camera stabilizer with ease. This clearly demonstrates Optimus's ability to handle physical tasks similar to those humans do. To make this level of functionality possible, Tesla has focused intensely on developing its actuators and refining the robot's hands. Interestingly, the hands have been one of the most research-intensive components. Initially designed with 22 degrees of freedom, the hands are now being upgraded to 25 degrees of freedom, allowing for even greater precision and flexibility. This upgrade opens the door for Optimus to move far beyond basic tasks like watering plants, carrying groceries, or caring for pets. We're now talking about more complex capabilities, like filming content or transporting heavy equipment, all without human intervention. What's truly impressive is that Tesla's robotic hands are currently considered the most advanced in the industry, only slightly behind human. Of the hundreds of things we can do with our hands, the Tesla bot is now capable of performing about 90 of them. Pretty incredible, right? And what's even more unbelievable is that soon, it might be available for just $20,000. Now, putting the technical specs aside for a moment, let's talk about the design, because it's seriously impressive. When you look at the new Optimus hands, it's clear Tesla has taken things to the next level. If you check out the comparison video, the difference is obvious. On the left, you'll see the upgraded hands, and on the right, the older version. The earlier model still had visible cables and actuators, which made it feel more like a prototype. But the latest design? Almost completely enclosed. No exposed parts, not even in the fingers. It's a massive leap forward. This new enclosed design immediately made us think, could Optimus now handle tasks like washing dishes or doing laundry? It certainly looks that way. The hands now appear to have better water resistance and are even shaped like they're wearing gloves, which could finally address doubts about whether the bot can deal with water-based chores. Now let's move into the technical and functional upgrades. Elon Musk has previously mentioned that the new hands will be precise enough to thread a needle, play the piano, and handle other delicate tasks. That may sound hard to believe, but after watching the demo closely, it's easier to see why he's so confident. In one clip, the Tesla bot catches a tennis ball with pinpoint accuracy and holds it with a firm, controlled grip. That kind of dexterity gives us a real glimpse into how advanced these hands have become. Musk did admit that in the basketball demonstration, Optimus was being remotely controlled from Tesla's lab. But here's the impressive part. It was done in real time. Think about that. Real-time teleoperation is actually more challenging than letting the bot act autonomously, because it requires lightning-fast response times. Most remotely controlled robots have some lag due to signal delays. But Optimus, its reaction time was almost instant. That low latency performance is a huge deal and shows just how well Tesla's systems are coming together. As for the engineering behind it, Milan Kovac, who's leading actuator development at Tesla, confirmed that all the actuators are now built into the forearm. They're designed to mimic human tendons, allowing for smoother, more human-like movement. One of the biggest advantages of Tesla's new hand design is that it's both lighter and more flexible during use. But this isn't just a simple hardware update, it's a huge step forward. Optimus can now track and respond to randomly moving objects, showing an impressive level of dexterity that we couldn't have imagined just a few months ago. Milan Kovac also shared that while the progress is impressive, the team still has work to finish by the end of the year. A major focus is integrating advanced tactile sensors that will cover a much larger area of the hand than before. The main challenge? Striking the right balance between a soft, protective outer layer on the fingers and palms, without reducing the hand's sensitivity to touch. With this update, Tesla is clearly emphasizing the incredible dexterity of Optimus's hands, positioning the robot not just as a tool, but as a true assistant, capable of performing nearly any task a human can. Although Tesla has publicly introduced only around 50 Optimus units so far, there's a good chance they've already built hundreds behind the scenes. Elon Musk confirmed that by reusing and adapting technology originally developed for Tesla's electric vehicles, the company has been able to move much faster with Optimus than if they had started completely from scratch. This approach is helping Tesla stay on track to mass-produce thousands of units by 2026. But Optimus isn't just meant for factories or households. Its future may lie far beyond Earth. Elon Musk recently confirmed plans to launch Starship to Mars by the end of 2026. And yes, Optimus is going with it. This isn't far-fetched, especially after the success of the Dragon capsule mission that safely returned 2 NASA astronauts from the ISS. If the robotic landings go well, human missions to Mars could begin as soon as 2029, though a more realistic estimate might be 2031. Optimus, standing 5 feet 8 inches and weighing around 125 pounds, is designed for repetitive, labor-intensive tasks. It can lift up to 44 pounds and move with agility, thanks to its advanced sensor systems. Tesla sees Optimus eventually taking on critical responsibilities in dangerous or extreme environments, like deep space missions or hazardous job sites. While this information has been shared before, it remains incredibly important. Optimus isn't just a cool gadget. It has the potential to truly support humanity in a wide range of ways. From household chores and healthcare assistance to helping us explore new worlds, this humanoid robot could play a major role in our future. As we move into a new era of technology and exploration, Tesla's Optimus robot is poised to become a critical part of the future workforce, and even play a key role in making life on Mars a reality. Unlike smaller robots currently on the market, which can only handle basic, repetitive tasks, Optimus is designed with long-term utility in mind. One of its biggest advantages is that it can be upgraded over time, even while on Mars, as long as the core hardware remains functional. This is similar to Tesla's electric vehicles, which had self-driving hardware long before they were fully capable of navigating city streets. In the same way, Optimus will continue to evolve through software updates, extending its usefulness far beyond its original form. Imagine a fleet of Optimus bots arriving on Mars ahead of human missions, building shelters, installing life support systems, and laying the foundation for human settlement. With its highly precise and dexterous hands, Optimus has already demonstrated its ability to skillfully use tools and handle various objects. On Mars, it could be used to construct basic habitats, process ice for water, recycle resources, and even support early food production, critical elements for sustaining life on the Red Planet. Of course, even advanced robots face serious challenges in space. Martian dust, for example, has long been a problem. It can clog solar panels, damage mechanical parts, and lead to serious malfunctions. However, in one of Tesla's latest videos, the next generation Optimus hand appears to be covered in high-grade silicone, possibly designed for added protection against dust and water. If this design is implemented across all joints and surfaces, it could help Optimus withstand the harsh Martian environment. Remote control technology is another key feature being explored. While many were surprised to learn that Optimus was remotely controlled during some recent demos, it actually points to something powerful: Tesla's ability to shorten training and mission prep time. While astronaut training can take 1.5 to 3 years before a first flight, depending on experience and mission goals, Optimus could be trained remotely, performing tasks over and over until it can do them autonomously. This kind of learn-by-doing approach could drastically reduce the time and effort needed for mission execution. Back here on Earth, Tesla plans to begin deploying Optimus in its own factories next year. But this early rollout isn't about generating profit. Instead, it's about training. By putting Optimus in real-world work environments, Tesla can gather valuable data and refine the robot's performance in both factory and rugged terrain settings. It's a smart step toward preparing Optimus for more demanding roles, whether here or on Mars. What do you think? Could Optimus really help us build a future on another planet? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Next Gen Theories, and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.